Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video. I got my Glam Bag box from IPSY. So this is the Glam Bag or Glam Box that we're going to be unboxing this today. I got this yesterday. I've already cut the tape, but I have not looked inside. I'm so excited. So we're going to open this together and see what we have. So this is the Kloe Kardashian box. So this is how it looks packaged. And we have some wow. And this is, it says Color Wow, Pop and Lock, High Gloss Finish. And it's got like white sparkly. Might be able to tell, not really. So this is, it creates epic shine and locks in color. And then we have overnight lip mask. And this is from IPSY. And I will be doing like reviews and stuff when I use this stuff. So whenever I'm doing the reviews, I'll read what the box says. So then I got a makeup bag. That is so adorable. So I will be putting all my goods in here. And I'll be taking this off too. But this is what it looks like. So then I got a paper about my glam bag. And then it's got Chloe's signature on it, because this is her glam box. And then I have it's from Harley Street, London. It says 111 Skin. This is a Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And it says this is formulated with rosy something and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of the skin for a coveted dewy lit from within complexion. So that's that. Then I have a Milky Lit Jelly. It says Shine on Tower 28. And it's cashew colored. Then I have a cleansing balm from Pink Diamond. And this says it removes makeup and dirt from the face while visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. Then there's a brow pen, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then after this, that is all that is in my box. And this is a Patrick Star eyeshadow palette. So let's see what colors is in here. This is like, I'm like a kid at Christmas when I get these. So when you open it, that's how it looks. I love pink. And it's got a mirror on the top, and then it has all these colors. And And some of them's got shapes in them, which is pretty cool. So we will be doing videos on this. If y'all have any tutorials or anything like that, because I know I've said it in a couple of videos, I'm just basic when it comes to makeup, because I'm not really, never been shown really how to do makeup or anything like that. So if you have any tips, tricks, please let me know. I would love to be able to do like all these pretty makeup themes, and I want to learn how to do the wing. I do not know how to do the wing, so I'm going to definitely be trying to learn that, because I think that is so cool and I just cannot do it. Tried using liquid eyeliner, that doesn't work either, so I'm going to have to practice, and practice. So that's my IPSY Glam Box for May. So stay tuned, because I will be doing reviews, and I love my little makeup bag. It's so pretty. So I am going to be making videos or showing you how to use them, because they do send you cards on how to use them and what they're for. So I'll be doing videos on all these products. And if there's anything you want to see beauty-wise, cosmetology related, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.